Those lights must be expensive.
Yes,
I
cannot
had
imagine
no
what it
idea.
takes to install a set of those.
Yeah,
Right.
athletic field lighting, very, very elaborate and
Right.
whatnot.
But
so.
the town pride and the school spirit has
So
been fun to
wholesome.
watch
It has been.
through this competition.
And there's so much sports pride right now in that part of Maine between Dexter and Newport and all that.
those
I
are
love
the-
to see it.
The prime parts we always
Yep.
draw to this time of year.
So for Friday Night Light football weather, what are we thinking?
Chilly one. I'm not sure if there are still games at this point in November. We're getting close to the
Oh,
end.
Right.
true.
Might be getting
Might be
close
some
to
lingering
playoff
ones,
time.
but we're pretty, yeah.
Yeah, if there are any tonight, it's going to be chilly out there.
Layers.
And there may be some games tomorrow during the day, in which case the weather will be really nice.
Great news.
So,
Okay.
Yeah, look at the headlines here. It's going to be sunny to start the weekend. However, we've got a quick moving system tomorrow night into Sunday morning for most of us. Snow, mix, and rain all on the table here. And if you're watching from northern Maine, particularly north of Lincoln, this continues Sunday night into Monday morning too. The rest of us, though, it makes a quick arrival and quick departure. Out there now, lots of clouds, but for the most part, we've dried out. And if you are headed out tonight, 30s in southern and central Maine, right around 40 on the south coast, and only around 30 in the mountains and up north. So through the night tonight, clouds will start to break apart. We'll clear the skies out. And we do have a chilly start to tomorrow morning. We'll start with temperatures in the 20s in most spots. Sunshine through the day tomorrow, a little bit of a breeze, but nothing all that strong. And clouds will hold off until after sunset tomorrow night. So we get a sunny day tomorrow. We hit 40 in Bangor, 44 in Portland, and upper 30s in most of the mountains. So tomorrow night, storm system comes in from the west. It arrives either side of midnight in western Maine and New Hampshire, then moves into eastern and central Maine after midnight. But by 6 o'clock Sunday morning, this is already moving through southern Maine. So we end up getting most of the day in dry in central and southern Maine, while it still snows into Sunday evening, Sunday night, and maybe even Monday morning up over the central highlands and far north, and that will add on to the snowfall totals there. So here's a closer look. If you have Saturday night plans, you're in fine shape through about 10 o'clock in western Maine and through much of the night till after midnight in eastern Maine. We'll start to see some snow showers develop around 10 or 11 o'clock. And midnight, there could even be a few flakes not far from Portland, places like Gorham and Windham. But we'll have a southerly wind, so that will drive the rain-snow line inland pretty quickly. By 2 in the morning, already seeing a change to rain on much of the mid-coast. Snowing at that point through central Maine up into the mountains. But this moves out really quickly. Sunrise on Sunday, it's over in southern and western Maine, raining through the down east area, but still snowing even into Sunday afternoon off and on up over the county. So where you get that snow into the day on Sunday, especially interior Aroostook County, 6+ inches of it possible. A few inches in the mountains. I'm not sure we'll get many 6s here, but certainly about 3 or 4 around Rangeley and Carrabassett Valley. And then in these areas, a lot of the snow gets washed away. So you'll have to be up at like 3 in the morning to see the coating to an inch on the ground around Bangor and Augusta, because by daybreak, it's changing over and turning to rain, or ending in some cases. That's how quickly this thing goes. Seas 2 to 3 feet out there tomorrow. So it's a sunny one, enjoy it. It's on the chilly side, but sure, at least we'll get the sun back. Snow and rain mainly Sunday morning, but it continues into the afternoon over far northern Maine. And then for all of us on Monday, it's a blustery day. There could be some flurries around. And early next week looks quiet. The next system looks to be next Friday, but at this point it looks milder and it doesn't look all that strong. So we'll watch it between now and then.
But still, those temperatures right across the board.
Low mid 40s.
Yeah. All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.